If you have been told that you have high cholesterol, it's time to do something about it. High cholesterol puts you at serious risk of heart attacks, stroke, and other dangerous cardiovascular events. Statin drugs make up the majority of cholesterol-lowering medications prescribed by physicians. These statins, like all medications, have benefits and side effects. Studies are clear that statin drugs can reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, and death from heart disease by 25% to 35%. However, what if you cannot take these medications due to unfavorable side effects? Well, take your diet in your own hands and follow these 10 steps to lowering your cholesterol. 1. Eat soy protein. Phytoestrogens contained in soy products, known as isoflavones, are plant-derived chemicals that are structurally very similar to the hormone estrogen. Estrogen has been known to prevent heart disease in premenopausal women by increasing effectiveness and number of LDL cholesterol receptors on liver. 2. Eat garlic. Fresh garlic lowers LDLs through decreasing HMG-CoA reductase activity, which is an enzyme in cholesterol synthesis in the liver, and inhibits this activity. It also reduces the number of cholesterol and fat-carrying lipoproteins that are formed in intestinal cells and transport cholesterol from cells to the liver. It can also slow or stop atherosclerosis. 3. Eat oatmeal and/or barley. Whole grains are so beneficial because they contain naturally occurring components and plant hormones that help lower cholesterol. The key element is beta-glucan, which is insoluble and acts as an intestinal sponge, soaking up and driving out LDLs within the body. Whole grains are so beneficial because they contain naturally occurring components and plant hormones that help lower cholesterol. Barley has been shown to decrease plasma cholesterol and other lipids.
4. Eat flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids contained in flax seeds have an anti-inflammatory property that decreases risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Flax seeds also contain lignin, which is an extremely powerful antioxidant that inhibits the process of atherosclerosis and cut down LDL cholesterol. 5. Eat apples. Pectin, the soluble fiber contained in apples, works through a similar pathway as the other soluble fibers. It forms a thick, gel-like matter in the intestine and is consumed in the colon by healthful bacteria in order to produce short-chain fatty acids. In this case, acetate is formed. Acetate is a fatty acid that is thought to decrease blood clotting. Apples also contain antioxidants, which help prevent atherosclerosis.